disqualify leads. Maybe I'm working on getting leads and figuring out which CRM they're already using. But I don't want to work with these people if they're already using HubSpot for some reason. I would come in, create a new workflow first of all. Instead, when the contact has changed, if the field, software, or whatever field you're using to trigger this disqualification has changed or changed to HubSpot, maybe I want to add the contact tag AI off because I don't want the bot to respond anymore. And then send a message saying, actually, we don't work with HubSpot. Thanks. So this is the workflow side. The bot is going to be update field for software, and if it updates it to say HubSpot, tag AI off will be added, and that message will be sent. Keep in mind the bot, when it is doing its updating of fields, updates the field and sends a message at the same time. So we're going to have our first objective CRM. Here, its first objective is updating the software. And then maybe we have our next objective. That's a calendar objective. Maybe we're booking an appointment immediately after that. Keep in mind that if the person comes in and they say they're using HubSpot, the bot is going to accomplish that objective, update the field, and move on all at the same time. So it's probably going to respond with, we have availability tomorrow if you want to chat about it. But at the same time, it's going to add the tag AI off, and it's going to let them know, actually, we don't support HubSpot. That is how you disqualify leads using workflows, specifically using workflows and our ability to update fields with objectives.